Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this vortex coils. So for that we need quilling strips, needle and a glue. So let's start. We'll take a strip and just make a coil. We'll just press it very hard so that the shape comes the coil. And now just now with the help of needle, just help this coil to open it up. Just glue this. See this vortex coil? I have made this with 3 strips. See how beautiful the design comes. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Arty and Crafty, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you for watching Arty and Crafty.